How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, what you want to do is just go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then from here, you just want to head over to your following list, and here you'll see all of the people that you follow. So if you want to unfollow someone, you typically just tap on the following button right besides it to unfollow. But if you have a lot of following, then you just want to go ahead and you cannot practically tap on every single one of them. So in order to unfollow everyone, the TikTok does not have a dedicated button to unfollow all, but what you can do is tap on as many of the accounts that you can, like this. And if that still does not unfollows everyone, or if there are too many for you to tap on, just tap on the settings and privacy, scroll down until you see report a problem, and then you can see all of these suggested articles that you can read from. But what you really want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and submit a report. Now here you can just write down that I'm following many people and want to unfollow them, so please help me unfollow them all at once, or something along the line with that. And then you can just submit, and you can also send a picture or a screenshot, and TikTok will respond you back and just follow their instruction. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.